Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a quick video on another mini scrap album that I made. This is for my mom's birthday. It was just a few days ago, so I decided to make her an album of pictures from last year and this year, just for kind of a little gift. We don't really do a lot of presents in our family, and now that we're mostly grown up, so yeah, I just wanted to make her something, so I had something to give her. So I did this just during the Olympics opening ceremony. So you know, it took about 2 hours. I wasn't incredibly focused, so it may have taken more like 3, but if you see my other videos, they're very quick to make an album like this. And it works out pretty well for using up your stash and also for gifts for friends and family. So real quick, I'll show you the supplies that I used before I flip through it. I used mostly Maggie Holmes Gather, so I have the 12 by 12 chipboard sheet, and you can see that a lot of it is gone now, which is great. I also have various papers from the 12 by 12 paper pad that I've cut down to 4 by 6 and 3 by 4, just for using the album. And then I've also been using the tear strips from those papers because I don't like to waste them, so I use them as borders and stuff like that. I also, from the Gather collection, have the normal sticker sheet, which you can see a lot of that is gone as well. So just trying to use up some of these items since they all match. And then I also have a couple things from, this is from Chasing Dreams. It's the chipboard sticker sheet I got for Christmas. I've been using some of these because they coordinate really well. And then the Bloom washi stickers, which I really love, and you can see that there are only like a few things left on here, so it's pretty close to empty at this point. So that is most of what I've been using for this album. I did have a couple things like doilies or you know, washi tape, so I'm not going to get out the whole box of everything that I used. But this album is basically 4 by 6, and these are 1-inch jump rings. So on the front, I just spelled out family using some old alpha, and then this little guy here says best ever. It's a little hard to read far away. So yeah, I just used this chipboard piece from Maggie Holmes, and these doilies were from Target, and they're really thin, so I actually cut out some white paper to make it to where they weren't see-through, because you could actually see my adhesive through the paper, which wasn't great. So on the first page, I have a picture of all of us at my sister-in-law's wedding, which is kind of fun. We don't usually get everybody in a picture. Let's just add a sticker here. On this side, I used the other piece of that doily and then a 3 by 4 photo of me and my sisters, stamped Always and Forever, which is a Maggie Holmes rotary stamp. And then I used this bow from a Maggie Holmes from the Gather 12 by 12 chipboard sticker set. On this one I have another 3 by 4 from Halloween, and I just used a piece of one of the tear strips here, and then a butterfly from the Chasing Dreams chipboard stickers. These I might need to give another glue down. They're kind of, yeah, I haven't put any glue under them, so I probably should do that. But this is just from the Chasing Dreams chipboard stickers as well, and with these little hearts. And these butterflies are from Jen Hatfield's washi set. I just think it's pretty. On this page I have another 3 by 4, and this leaf is from the 12 by 12 chipboard sheet. Just remember, this is from a Heidi Swap clearance. Over here I've got a picture of my sister and my nephew, and I just use a scrap of paper and then this Chasing Dreams element to embellish it. On this side I took the 12 by 12 piece of paper from the Gather collection and cut out the frames, and then cut out the middle of the frames and just kind of arranged them on here so I could have, you know, a page that didn't have any pictures on it, and I like how that turned out. The bird is from Chasing Dreams. I used some washi tape here, and then just some different stickers from those collections layered to kind of embellish it. On this side I did 2 3x4 side by side, and then I just put the tear strip down the middle and used some stickers to embellish. On this one I just used 1 chipboard sticker, and then I have these One Canoe 2 paper clips. So this one is just a few hearts and I'm sticking it there, and this is just another scrap of paper here. On this side, this is one of the cut apart pages from the Gather collection. So I put it next to this 3x4 and then just used a stamp to add these little X's down the middle so it wasn't so white. And then I added this Carpe Diem feather washi tape and this little heart chipboard sticker. I used more scraps here, and then a sticker with some washi tape from, they have it at Paper Source now, so I'll link it below, but my mom really likes green, so I wanted to use it. I think this is my favorite section of pages because I think it's just really clean. I like this picture of Casey and my nephew, Derek, but I just used another cut apart piece and then cut out some more of those frames. And I used the stamp that says Better Together, which is from an old Kelly Perky kit, and I think that turned out really cute. So this is another one of my favorite pages. I like all of the yellow on it. I just used a couple different types of stickers. I try to use something that's 3-dimensional and something that's not every time I make a page, just to kind of give it some texture. I used the butterfly tape again here, and another cutout frame. On this side I used the last piece of the doily and then another chipboard sticker. And this was a 4x6 that I cut down just so there could be more pattern on the page. For this page I have 2 3x4s that I've stuck together with 3x4 cards kind of offset behind them, and then just use some stickers to embellish it. This one is Casey and Olivia. So use the tear strip here and then just some different stickers in the corner. This is from One Canoe 2's paper clips as well. And this is another tear strip. Another tear strip. No, it's not. It's another cut apart from the Gather collection. And I just added this sticker at the bottom. This one's pretty simple too, just one little sticker to label it. I used the tear strip and some paper here, and then a bunch of stickers to try to make sort of a title card with no pictures on it. And this one I did a 3x4 with a tear strip, and then also a cut apart 3x4 with some embellishments, and I kind of like how this frame looks next to it. I used a tear strip again here, and then my circle punch to embellish the side of the picture, and added some stickers from the Gather collection. Here I used the bloom washi stickers and then another leaf from the Gather collection. I really like the leaves, so I'm glad that I finally used them. And then over here I've used the floral, and again just cut down this 4x6 so there could be a little bit more pattern on the edge. And same thing here, just cut this one down a little bit and add some stickers. This one's really simple, but I think it's pretty cute with Derek. This was another 4x6 that I cut down quite a bit because there was just a lot of white space on the photo. And then on the back, I just used the bloom washi stickers, and it says Beautiful Sunshine. So I think it turned out really cute. I hope that she likes it. Like I said, it took about 2 hours to make, which isn't too bad, and I only used items from my stash to complete it. So let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.